Okay everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to show you about how to delete a user account from Windows 11. Let's get started together, and the first thing you need to do is go into the control panel. You can see right here, you can click search and you will see control panel right here, and after that you just find out the user account right here, as you can see, and click on it and you will see the current user account, and you need to click on manage another account and you will see all the account that already held in your PC. So for example, I want to delete the user one, so I just click on it and it will bring you to this screen, and you will a lot of menu, but if you want to delete, you just click on delete account. When you delete it, and the prompt will ask you about what kind of you want to delete. You want to delete and keep the file, or you want to delete and delete all the file. For me, I just want to delete all the file and account, so you just click on this. And if you want to keep file, just keep this. Okay, I want to click this and confirm. Click the delete account. As you can see, your account is gone. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more video, and hope you like it and hope you can use it. Thank you. See you in the next video.